Hi, this is Nirmala Rednam. In this video, I am going to discuss exercise 2.2 from NCERT textbook class 8. In the last video, we started the topic linear equations in one variable and we discussed exercise 2.1. In 2.2, we are going to further solve linear equations in one variable. The only thing is here, we are going to first reduce it to a simpler form and then we are going to proceed. Okay. So here we have reducing equations to simpler form, right? Now let's do the solved examples. Here this example is the third one, it's not the 16th one. Okay, so now let me write down the heading exercise 2.2. okay, and I'm looking at the third solved example 3. So the question here is 6x plus 1 by 3, 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Now here just we have done in the first exercise, we are going to get rid of the denominators because that will make our solution look elegant and there are very few or no chances of making any calculation mistakes in that way. Okay, so here my denominators are 3 and 6, so the LCM is 6. I'm going to multiply the entire equation by 6. Okay, so here I have 3 2's 6, so 2 times of 6x plus 1. Now please make sure that you multiply this 2 with the entire expression in the numerator for this term, which is 6x plus 1. Okay, plus now here for this 1, the denominator is 1. That means I am going to write 1 into 6, which is 6. Okay, and here 6 and 6 will get cancelled, so I am left with x minus 3. Now I have a bracket here, so I am going to first open this bracket. Okay, so 2 6 is 12, 12x plus 2 1s is 2 plus 6 is equal to x minus 3. Now I am going to use the transposition, bring all the variable terms to LHS and all the constant terms to RHS. Okay, so I have 12x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus 6. Okay, and 11x is equal to, here I have minus 11, implies x is equal to minus 11 divided by 11, which is nothing but minus 1. So this is my answer. As you can see here, they got the same answer, x is equal to minus 1, right? So this is what we will be doing in this exercise. Now here they have done a small check. That is, what do you mean by check or verification? Whatever answer, whatever value you get for x, you are going to substitute that value in LHS and in RHS and check if LHS is equal to RHS. If this happens, that means the solution that you got is right. Otherwise, you need to quickly check where you have gone wrong. And please make sure that while doing the verification, you don't do any calculation mistakes, because then you will think that your answer is wrong. Okay, so that is your first example. And then again this number, we need to change this. This is the fourth example. Okay, the question is 5x example 4, 5x minus 2 times 2x minus 7 is equal to 2 times 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Now here there is only one denominator 2, I will multiply by 2. Okay, I have 10x minus 4 times of this entire term inside the bracket. Okay, is equal to again 4 times of this entire expression inside the bracket plus 7. Okay, now I am going to open the bracket. I am going to open this bracket and this one as well. I have 10x minus 8x plus 28 is equal to 12x minus 4 plus 7, right? Now I will do the transposition. Okay, implies 10x minus 8x minus 12x is equal to minus 4 plus 7 minus 28. Okay, now 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Here I have plus 3 minus 28, so I have minus 25. Implies x is equal to minus 25 by minus 10, which is nothing but 5 by 2. So let us check the answer that they got. So the answer is 5 by 2, right? We got the same answer, x is equal to 5 by 2. And then again they have done a quick check here, okay? So that's about the solved examples. Let's start the exercise now. Exercise 2.2. Okay, so the first sum in the exercise is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so here you can see that we have got 4 denominators, different denominators. Let us check what is the LCM. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is how you find the LCM, right? 2 ones, 2 twos. Now you can leave it here because 2, 3, 5 are relatively prime, or you can quickly proceed till you get all ones. Okay, and finally 5. So what is the LCM here? The LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is nothing but 60. 4 3s 12, 12 5s 60. So I am going to multiply this equation by 60. Okay, so 2 into 30 is 60, so 30x minus 5 into 12 is 60 is equal to 3 into 20 is 60 plus 15. Okay, now here I am going to do the transposition and I am going to get 15 plus 12. So my answer is x is equal to 27 by 10, right? So that is my answer for the first sum. Next, moving on to the next sum. Second question. Okay, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Now here, what are the denominators? 2, 4 and 6. What is the LCM? 2, 2's, 2 3's, okay, and 3, okay. Now my LCM is 2 into 2 into 3, which is nothing but 12, okay. So what am I going to do? Multiply the entire equation by 12, right? So I have got 6n minus 4 3's 12, 3 3's 9, so 9n plus 6 2's 12, 2 5's 10, 10n is equal to 21 into 12. 12 1's 12, 12 2's 24, 25. So this is 252. Okay. Now there is no need for any transposition because I have all the variable terms on LHS and constants on RHS. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 10 is 7. Right. Now I am going to bring this coefficient down by 7. 7 3 is 21 and 7 6 is 42. So my answer is n is equal to 36, right? So that is the answer for your second sum. Next, coming to the third sum, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So here my denominators are 2, 3, 6. So let me check what is the LCM. 2, 3 and 6. Okay. 2 ones, 2, 3, 6, 3. So my LCM here is 6. Okay. LCM is 6. I'm going to multiply this with 6. So I'm going to get 6x plus 42 minus 16x is equal to 17 minus 15x, right? Now I'm going to use the transposition. I have 6x minus 16x plus 15x is equal to 17 minus 42, right? Now 6 minus 16 is minus 10, minus 10 plus 15 is 5. 5x is equal to, what is 17 minus 42? Minus of 25, right? So therefore x is equal to minus 25 by 5, which is nothing but minus 5. So that is my answer for the third question. Next, coming to the fourth question. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Okay, here the LCM is 15, 3 and 5, 15, right? So now I have 5 times of x minus 5 is equal to 3 times of x minus 3. Okay, 5x, I'm going to open the bracket, 5 into x, 5 into 5, 3 into x, 3 into 3. So 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9 implies, now use the transposition. Okay, 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 25, right? And this is 2x is equal to 16, implies x is equal to 16 by 2, which is nothing but 8. So your answer is x is equal to 8, right? Going to the next sum, fifth question. Right. Fifth question is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Now what is the LCM here? 3 and 4 are the denominators, so the LCM is 12. Okay. Now here 4 into 3, right? So 3 times of 3t minus 2 minus 4 times of 2t plus 3 is equal to 3 4s 12, 4 2s 8 minus 12t. Now open this bracket and this one as well, and please make sure you don't forget there's a minus sign here. Okay, 9t minus 6 minus 8t, minus into plus will give me minus 12 is equal to 8 minus 12t, right? So now bring the variable to LHS and constants to RHS. This implies 9t minus 8t plus 12t is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 12, right? This implies, now I have 9 minus 8 is 1 and 1 plus 12 is 13. So 13t is equal to 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 12 is 26, right? Therefore t is equal to 26 by 13, which is nothing but 2. So the answer is t is equal to 2. Okay, so this is my fifth sum. Let's move on to the sixth sum. sixth sum. m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. What is the LCM here? 2 into 3, 6, right? So this implies 6m minus 3 times of m minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 2 times of m minus 2, right? Now I'm going to open the bracket. Again, please make sure that you don't forget there's a minus sign here, okay? So minus 3m, minus into minus becomes plus, okay? Minus 2m, again here minus into minus will become plus, so 2 2's 4. Now use the transposition, variables on LHS, constants on RHS. 6m minus 3m plus 2m is equal to 6 plus 4 minus 3. Now this is 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7. Therefore, m is equal to 7 by 5. Yes, I got the same answer, 7 by 5. Okay, next. Moving on to the 7th question. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. Alright, we are going to do that. 3 times of t minus 3 is equal to 5 times of 2t plus 1. Right? So now first I'm going to open the bracket. Right? So this will give me 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. Okay? So now bring the variables to the LHS, minus 10t, and constants to the RHS, plus 9. Okay, this is nothing but minus 70 is equal to 14, implies t is equal to minus 14 by 7, which is equal to minus 2. So that is my answer for the 7th question. Next, the 8th question. 15 times y minus 4 minus 2 times y minus 9 plus 5 times y plus 6 is equal to 0, right? First I'm going to open the bracket. Okay, so this will give me 15y minus 60 minus 2y, minus into minus plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 equal to 0. Now all variables are already on my LHS. I'm going to take the constants to RHS. Alright, 18, 30 and 60, right, is equal to 60 minus 18 minus 30. Okay, now this is 15 minus 2 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. Okay, 60 minus 18 is 42, 42 minus 30 is 12, implies y is equal to 12 by 18. If you look at 6 table, you're going to get 2 by 3. So that's my answer for the 8th question. Next, last 2 questions. 9th one, 3 times of 5z minus 7 minus 2 times of 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 times of 8z minus 13 minus 17. First I have to open the brackets, right? So here I have got 3 5s 15 minus 18, minus into minus becomes plus. Okay, 32, 13 into 4 is 52, so here I have minus 52 minus 17. Okay, now I'll do the transposition. All constants to RHS, all variables to LHS. 15z minus 18z minus 32z is equal to minus 52 minus 17 plus 21 minus 22. Alright? Right. Now 15 minus 18 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 32 is minus 35 is equal to minus 52 minus 17 is minus 69. Minus 69 and this is minus 1. So this is minus 70. Okay. So this will give me z is equal to minus 70 by minus 35, which is nothing but 2. So the answer is z is equal to 2. Now the last sum, 0.25 times 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 times 10f minus 9. Now they have given decimals. We'll just proceed with that. We are already familiar with decimals and comfortable with it. Now 25 into 4 is 100. 2 decimals if I put, I'll get 1. Okay, so I'm simply going to write f there, minus 25 3s is 75.75. Okay, because I have 2 decimal places here. Here 5 into 10 is 50. 50 with 2 decimal places will become 0.5. Okay, and this is minus 9 5 is 45 with 2 decimal places 0.45. Okay, now use the transposition, bring all the variables to LHS. F minus 0.5f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. Okay, right. So this will give me 0.5f. Okay, because 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. Okay, is equal to, this is 75 minus 45 is 30, and with 2 decimal places this is 0.3. Okay, implies f is equal to 0.3 by 0.5, which is 3 by 5. Or if you want to write this in decimal form, because they have given everything in decimals, this will become 0.6. So that's it. This is the answer for your 10th question in the exercise, right? So with this we come to the end of this chapter, linear equations in one variable. You can quickly go through what's given in these points, right? And like I said in the previous video, I want you to check these in the graphical. One second. I want you to check these in the graphing calculator over here by putting the equation in the standard form in this space provided, and you can look at the graph, right? I want to mention here that even without converting it into standard form, you can go ahead and check the graph of the equation. All you need to do is bring all the terms to LHS. You need not simplify it. I will give you an example for that. So here, if I have look at the fifth one, okay? What I am trying to say is, even without simplifying it to standard form, you can still look at the graph. So I am going to type it in the graphing calculator, and I am going to show it to you. See the first term here, 3t minus 2 by 4, right? So let's go back to this. 3t. So I'm going to take the variable as x always, okay? 3x minus 2, and I need a bracket, right? By, what was that? 4. 3t minus 2 by 4, okay. So I have to put 4 here in the denominator, right? Next term is minus, again open the bracket, 2x plus 3, correct? 2x plus 3, close the bracket, divided by 3. Now equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Now this 2 by 3, if I bring to LHS, it becomes minus 2 by 3, right? So I'm going to write minus 2 by 3, and then minus t on RHS will become plus t, right? And here I have taken it as x, so that's it. This is the graph representing the equation in our fifth sum in 2.2, right? So you can look at the solution here. The solution is 2, right? So if I look at the fifth sum here, if I look at the fifth sum, previous page, if you can see here, the solution we got t is equal to 2, right? So I want you to do this for all the 10 sums, and you will see the graph, which is quite interesting, right? So with this we come to the end of linear equations in one variable. In the next video I will be starting understanding quadrilaterals, that is the third chapter from NCERT textbook class 8. Okay.